Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your forward focus steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off for safety. Locate the adjustment lever, typically found beneath the steering column. This lever controls the locking mechanism. Pull the lever downwards firmly to unlock the steering wheel, allowing it to move freely. This initial step is crucial before making any positional changes. With the lever pulled down, you can now adjust the steering wheel's tilt. Grasp the wheel firmly with both hands and gently move it up or down. Experiment with different heights until you find a position that feels comfortable and provides a clear, unobstructed view of your instrument cluster. This ensures you can easily see your speed and other vital information while driving. Next, let's adjust the telescopic reach. While still holding the lever down, you can push or pull the steering wheel closer to or further away from your body. Aim for a distance where your arms have a slight bend at the elbows when your hands are on the wheel. This allows for optimal control and maintains a safe distance from the airbag in case of deployment. Once you've found your ideal position for both tilt and reach, push the adjustment lever back up firmly to lock the steering wheel into place. Give the wheel a gentle tug to ensure it's securely fixed and won't move during driving. A properly adjusted steering wheel significantly enhances driving comfort and safety. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your improved driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.